Top legal developments from March 5th, 2026. With a clear disclaimer and the 5 most significant cases or issues shaping today's legal landscape. All facts below come directly from today's reporting. Disclaimer: this report is for news, commentary, and educational purposes only. It is not legal, financial, medical, or official advice. Do not rely on this content as a substitute for professional counsel. Top 5 legal cases and developments today, March 5th, 2026. DOJ seeks authority over state bar discipline. The U.S. Department of Justice is pushing for expanded authority to oversee state bar disciplinary systems, arguing that inconsistent state-level enforcement undermines national legal standards. This raises major federalism questions and could reshape attorney regulation nationwide. Why it matters? It could centralize oversight of lawyer misconduct, state bars may resist federal intrusion, and it signals the DOJ's broader push into professional governance. 2. Senate rejects war powers resolution limiting presidential authority. The Senate voted 53-47 against advancing a resolution that would have restricted President Trump's ability to conduct military operations against Iran. The vote included cross-party defections and highlighted constitutional tensions over war powers. Legal significance: it reinforces executive SOP in military action, sets a precedent for future conflicts and congressional oversight, and could trigger litigation over separation of powers. 3. International law crisis. U.S. submarine sinks Iranian warship. Sri Lanka confirmed rescuing 32 Iranian sailors after U.S. submarine torpedoed an Iranian vessel in international waters, with 87 bodies recovered. Iran alleges civilian sites have been targeted in related strikes. Legal implications: there are potential violations of international humanitarian law. It raises questions about proportionality and civilian protection, and it could lead to UN Security Council action or ICJ filings. 4. UK Police Federation chief arrested for corruption. Mukund Krishna, head of the Police Federation of England and Wales, was arrested on corruption charges. This is a major development in UK policing oversight and public sector accountability. Why it matters? It could trigger broader investigations into police governance, influence future reforms in UK law enforcement ethics, and a high-profile case is likely to impact public trust. 5. Regulators warn private credit market poses systemic risk. U.S. and global regulators are signaling that the private credit sector has grown faster than oversight mechanisms can handle, calling for updated regulatory frameworks. Legal and economic impact: there may be potential new compliance rules for private lenders, increased scrutiny of risk disclosures and investor protections, and it could reshape the alternative lending landscape. Additional context worthwhile.